Traditional Zulu dancing is an important part of the Zulu culture. Dancing is usually performed during a traditional Zulu ceremony and is accompanied by vibrant singing and sometimes the beating of drums. Zulu dancing is something quite spectacular, especially when men and women are fully dressed in their traditional attire. It is customary that unmarried and young men dance, alternating in separate groups. Occasionally, the married women and men break in and join the festivities. Married women utter a quavering shrill when the young women dance. The young men clap and play the drum and vice versa. The Zulu, South Africa's largest ethnic group, is a source of anthropological and historical interest, as well as African pride for those on and off the continent. The Zulu people are proud of their rich cultural heritage. One of the most well-known dances on the continent is the Indlamu, which Zulu warriors influenced during the Anglo-Zulu Wars. The Indlamu dance was derived from the war dances of Mvunulo and was primarily used to inspire men before they marched barefoot into battles. Though primarily associated with the Zulu, the dance originates with the Nguni and is based on Zulu battles from the 17th century. It's a dance that men of all ages can perform. The Zulu are also said to be descendants of the Bantu people, who migrated south during the Great Bantu Migration around the 2nd century CE, with the Nguni people as their ancestors. This war dance is untouched by Western influence, probably because it is regarded as a touchstone of Zulu identity. Full regimental attire, precise timing, and uncompromised posture are required. It is danced by men of any age wearing skins, head rings, ceremonial belts, ankle rattles, shields, and weapons like knob kerries and spears. While Indlamu uses similar steps as girls do for Ingoma, it has a much more calculated, less frantic feel, showing off muscular strength and control of the weapons with mock stabs at the imaginary enemies. Dancers are more likely to make eye contact with the audience. Various drums and whistles accompany the dance. It is typically performed by 2 or more dancers or individuals dressed in traditional warrior attire such as amabeshu and adorned with traditional accessories such as head rings, ceremonial belts, ankle rattles, shields, and arms such as knob kerries and spears. During the dance, all boys and men must move with precise timing and coordination while maintaining an unaffected stance. Childbirth, coming-of-age initiations, lobola, marriages and inaugurations of kings, victories and various traditional festivals, and after harvesting is all occasions where Indlamu is performed. It is an exhibition of physical strength and arm superiority in mock combats. Also, Indlamu has a routine in which the dancers mirror each other at the same time. The dancers start by forming a straight line and then lifting one leg in the air and stomping it down, throwing dust into the air and sending onlookers' feet shivering. Hand gestures accompany the stomps. The dancers repeat the same moves while changing legs, lifting one leg in the air and then falling flat on their backs. Ingoma. This is a dance performed by boys and girls without drums and accompanied by a chant. The girls wear woolen skirts and are usually bare-chested. They also wear rattles made of sea pods around the ankles to accent the high kicks. The Ingoma is one of the purest remnants of Zulu tradition. Boys and girls perform the dance for transition ceremonies such as coming of age, weddings. In the past, it was performed before a hunt as well as before battle. For the youth, it still instills the tradition of sharing experiences and building solidarity through communal dance. Ingoma, a harmonizing performance with boys and girls together but dancing separately. The boys clap while the girls dance and vice versa. Mvunulo, this dance is only performed by one participant and is a parade to show off the traditional attire of the Zulu men and women. Mvunulo is also the traditional attire in this dance, representing one's role and position in society. Dress is determined by age, rank, and gender. Young ones do not cover their ties, but adults should. Men wear amabeshu and women wear leather skirts and beaded aprons. A leather skirt worn by a woman is connected with being pregnant or a desire to be pregnant. Over that, she wears beaded aprons presented on her wedding day by her father. Colors in the aprons can signify where the dancer comes from. Girls' beadwork girdles are called isigege and should not contain red beads, as these are reserved for married women. There are special wedding songs and dances called umboloho and form a structured ritual to channel mutual antagonism between families of the bride and groom. Families take turns to outdo each other in beautiful dancing and song. As we come to the end of our captivating journey into the world of the Zulu Indlamu dance, we are left in awe of the power, grace, and cultural significance it embodies. Join us again as we continue to explore the diverse and enchanting tapestry of traditional dances from Africa. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and celebrating the beauty of cultural heritage.